Hi, I just wanted to show how this aTox network works. And here I downloaded an app that is called aTox, which is an Android client for the aTox network. For iOS is another client called Antidote that can be downloaded from the App Store. This client for Android can be downloaded from Play Store, from Aurora, from F-Droid, or whatever store. And when you have installed it and started it up, you just need to enter a name. It doesn't matter the name. And then you push create. And then the first time it's going to connect, it's taking a bit of time where it says connecting. And it's connecting through a very distributed network that is even more distributed than the Tor network. It's actually peer-to-peer, but it keeps track of sort of the connections between your ID and your IP address in this network. And all the magic happens behind the scenes. You don't have to think about that. But it means that there's no central authority, no central server, nowhere where they can shut you down. It's working in emergencies, if there's society-wide hacker attacks, or if there's political shutdowns or servers or whatever you can imagine. It's still working. This will still be working, and that's the benefit of this app. It's not it's at the moment is not the most secure app in regards to encryption. There is encryption, but it's some homebrew encryption, some says, and it hasn't been audited and stuff. So that's not what you're using this app for. It's more like an emergency backup channel to others. And I think it's a very wise thing to have in case of, you don't know, we saw what happens when Microsoft makes an update. It can hit servers, it can hit airports, it can hit banks, it can hit anything. So in these times, it might be wise to have this app. And if you want to add a friend, there are two ways. One way is if they send you an ID. You just copy the ID, copy, and you go to add contact and paste the ID and then push add. Then the other person is going to receive a friend's request, which you just accept. And then in a little while, you're going to see the name of the person you added. And then you're ready to communicate. And so far, I think it works really well. It's fast at sending messages. We received a message here. Much faster than, for example, the matrix element thing, at least if you use official matrix server, matrix.org server. It's not a super advanced and polished app, but it works. And you can also send files, although I don't think it handles big files well. The other way to add a person, now we can try to delete this contact, delete, and then here delete. Then we can try to add the person again, add contact. And then instead you go to profile and long press and select, you long press your aTox ID and you select the QR code. Then in this app, you can push a QR code field and simply scan the QR code. And then you can push add. And that's good if your devices are close and you can show the screen to each other. Else you can just send the ID over another form like WhatsApp and stuff. And then I need to accept here, and then again it's going to take a bit of time. Then it's going to find or establish connection. Now connection is established. Just yeah, and it received the message. So that's how it works, and I think it's a smart thing to have as a backup with all your family members. Just remember, it's not the best thing in regards to privacy. It's good, definitely good. It's more like a censorship-resistant, emergency-resistant, hacker-resistant tool. That's what a communication tool. That's what it is. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, and you will start using this, because I think in these times it's a good tool to have in your bag, so to say.